guys, the enemy sent the charge over.
Defend the objective. UAV recon, ready for deployment.
Bum ba-dum bum bum bum. Mom picked morning every morning. Bum 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 bum. Alright guys, FluffeyHD here, new tutorial. Here we go. This is how to get the ultimate quality, guys. I know that my last one failed and it was even better singing than that, so I know it's really hard to get better than that, but believe it or not, it was better singing than that. But today, guys, I've got a really good tutorial. I'm not gonna lie, this will make your quality 10 times better. This was originally found by Super Monkey, the man Matt. Me and him he figured it out sort of on our easy cap days when we were bosses and we had our easy caps, and we've never released it, and this is the biggest tip to getting good quality ever. I don't know why we haven't released it, don't ask me, but we're just bosses like that and we don't release our secrets until now. This is the best, absolute best quality you can get, and here is the only trick you need. This is called Unsharp Mask. It is a built-in plugin in Vegas. All you gotta do is drag on the light. Instantly you'll see your edges are more defined. Just look at the stop sign there, I zoomed in on it. Everything's more defined in the picture, and if you don't see it, guys, I'll turn it up for you guys a lot. Hopefully this doesn't look horrible, but there's some major defining. Look at how real and close and sharp everything looks from this normal gray to this. Look at that. The blacks are slightly darker, but that's not even it. It's not just the contrast, guys. It sharpens the background and makes it more visible for you, and it's magnificent. Now, you can use anything. I prefer like a radius of around 120, and then you can really use anything. I want to go to 1000. That's pretty sharp. I usually use around 200, but if you guys want to see the differences, once again, here's what it does. Everything's more defined, edges are sharper without any choking, so your text doesn't look bad. Everything just looks a lot better. So there's an example clip 1. I'm just going to cut a short segment for that. I don't know, just a random segment. So that's clip 1, and that's it with the sharpen. Just look at how good that looks. This has never been released. No one ever says this about their color corrections. Me and Super Monkey were screwing around with our easy caps about 2 years ago and figured this out, and we've never released it. I don't know why. But here's clip number 2. If you guys want to see it in action in a Call of Duty game, because all you guys love Call of Duties, even though I personally like in Battlefield 3 Beta even better than any Call of Duty I've ever played. So once again, just do the usual. There's tutorials on what I just did if you have no clue what I'm doing right now. But let me go right here. Alright, and we're just going to drag in a, let's put strong. So we're going to go with 120 radius. You can see what radius does here, guys. It sort of gives it like a soft contrast. It depends on where it goes. I'm just going to give it like a 130 and then 800. And you can see the difference of the edges. It's not just contrast, guys. The edges get sharper. It sharpens the edges in a really cool method almost. It's awesome. It almost detects and cleans everything up. So you can see from here to here, everything's much sharper. Everything looks a lot better. Edges are more defined. The image is just more in itself, as in this one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is the ultimate tutorial on how to get the best quality. This is a never before released trick. And I know a ton of people now are going to be putting this in their color corrections. Taser, someone might come out with this, might post up even my tutorial. If you see anybody with my tutorial directly, please flag them. This is my tutorial, FluffeyHD's channel. And other than that, guys, they're allowed to take it. Just I hope that they use credit, because I did find this, me and Super Monkey, many years back on our easy caps. So once again, if you didn't notice a difference, let's do it right now one more time. Boom. Sharpens everything up. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This has been FluffeyHD. Please subscribe and like this video if you think this video is really sexy. And goodbye, guys.